like everybody else, but every experience, I think, in the family is different from the other because he related differently depending on what you are doing with him. And therefore, I would consider him as the most polite of my brother-in-laws. I am not saying John and Maina and Mwangi are not polite, but I'm saying he was most maybe harmless. Because even if he offended you, he was quick to apologize and to make up. And he would go out of his way with even a bow and another smile there, very infectious, easy smile. And I'm sure all his friends who know him know that smile you are seeing there, like cheeky smile there is a cheeky smile on the poster. But basically, he smiled easily and he was ready to work with everybody. And I'm sure his friends know that, maybe even more than the family. Then I also know that maybe I could say that the last 2 years, we worked even at a closer level. Because like every Kenyan, when you have a cabinet minister and you can reach them, now this is your relative. Clearly, you are entitled to take advantage of the opportunity. But Wangeshi should have said it was never any deal that was a bad deal. In other words, everybody in the family know when they recommend somebody or send somebody to me, the first thing is, bora asiwe ware wakora wa ardhi ya wenyewe. Of course, then you refer them to Nixon. He knows all the wakoras of ardhi. Generally, asante sana for being here. So, I think most of those things I even never helped. Because some are sent on phone, he can't reach me. But when he got, so I got time now to go through all those messages. When he couldn't reach, then he would reach to Wangeshi, the small niece, because she's running a law firm. Wangeshi is running our former law firm. And she has been joined by George Ngayo, the Kitinda member, the Raspon, they are partners there. I don't know, one has employed the other. No, sorry, Wangeshi, you have employed George. Correction. And I'm no longer a partner in that firm. So it's good to have disclosure also that Lily, this gentleman, was ambitious. There is no business he has not tried. Clearing and forwarding, it was exciting for him. Sijui nini now, so the land issues here, people disturbed him. Even Wahome gets a lot of problems. We are coming there to see you. You have to take us to your wife. It is never that easy, guys. These people can hardly reach me, apparently. I don't know whether it's my security that keeps them off or is it the nature of work. So Maina, the last 2 years, we also worked with another project of his where he was building apartments in Kawangware. So he assessed the rest of the family and said, see how wanasema wanajenga affordable housing. Me, I'm also doing affordable housing in Kawangware. Between 7,000 and 10,000. Hiyo ni affordable, sindio? Yes, so he came. And we agreed, okay. Dr. Ngayo offloaded him to me, actually. We agreed we will work at our pace. Within the 2 years, we managed to finish those houses. So he had a steady income. And we finished around, when he went to India, the first time I took advantage of his absence because I was also always telling him, wewe, mi sioni kama unatumia hii vitu vizuri. I don't know, you need to be more strict. Hawa marafiki yako wachana, just think straight about the project. Because also Maina was extremely generous. Akiwa na pesa lazima kila mtu ajue. So I told him, you'll never finish this project if you continue with that generosity. Be a bit mean sometimes. Eventually we finished when he was in India. And we would send him pictures. So that project was finished around July. And all this time, Maina never presented any sign of illness. At least not to us. And nobody, I think even his friends, they're asking, what has taken away Gerard? Like Dr. Ngao has stated, we then, of course, rushed to India after 1 week of his presence there and admission 3 days. And many friends actually reached out. They even sent him money direct, even before he left. And we just stayed 1.5 days with him. And he went in our presence. The family was able to connect with him through prayers online. And therefore, I think the strength you are seeing, if there is any strength being demonstrated, is because they were able to connect and accept and release Maina for him to go and stay with his maker. So that's what I would like to just really remember him for. A good, smart guy. Good life, good friendship, very deep and passionate. And he cared for the people he knew. These nieces here and nephews, especially, let me not say especially, I think all of them have been impacted differently. But Liri has a different, maybe, experience because unknown to us, things are so bad. Maybe known to us because we knew he was discovered at stage 4. Really quickly volunteered. Really, Ebu, stand again alone there. Let's give this gentleman a clap. He stayed with him for 1 week. And we bombarded him with messages until we realized he has now gone slow on reporting. Then Dr. Nyawera, our second born, now took over for a day to report. Because she was, I think, the first to see those results and took the results to the father with Uncle Maina. So basically, there is trauma in the family, but we are going to be strong, and I'm sure he would want us to be strong. Having said that, I think allow me to first maybe recognize that we have many friends here who have come. And I know there are even people, my political, I don't know whether you are still fans or followers, even political followers of this family. Najua wako hapa na ni wengi. Ebu simameni wale mnajitanga saa yote, sijui waziri, sijui mso, sijui what. Akina Diana, si mko hapa watu wengi sana. Nilikutana na nyinyi hapa. Pigieni, hao ni watu wa Kandara. These are very bad boys and women. Ndio walikuwa wananishikilia. This just a small, yeah, thank you very much. In their own way, they have brought themselves here, and it's not the first time they have come to this place. We do have, maybe, Nixon, you will introduce the State Department. Then Alex, you'll do something, you'll speak. Tell us wapi stima kila pahali. Then just a few words without us taking too long. The family has been magnanimous to allow us even to share this moment with them. So let's not make it a big problem. You know, sisi tunakuanga shida wengine. But in that regard, I want to ask the members of parliament. I will start with the members of parliament. Wahome, there is a little slight change on the program we had agreed. We have MCAs here, correct? We do have MCAs here. We have MCAs. Do we have even the current MCA for here? Ara Kiroga. Uyu kijana hivi, this size, is the member of the county assembly for this particular ward. Thank you very much for hosting us, and I know you have been here. Asante sana. Kiroga Dhuku ni mjumbe wa county assembly ya hapa Nyeri and an ardent supporter of Kenya Kwanza government. Kiroga Dhuku ni wakure Shinga. Thank you very much, Kiroga, for coming. He's an old friend of mine. Tulikuwa na yeye huko na Kenya, tukaanguka, tukawacha wengine huko waangukange. Sasa tukakuja huku. Sasa Diana Muthoni, Honorable Diana Muthoni, huyo ni nominated MCA huko Murang'a. Wapi Bogo? I saw Bogo. Honorable Bogo, recently nominated huko Murang'a. Okay. Allow me to ask, in humility, the members of parliament, leaving Mukami and Veronica because you have a task, and then Wamobi, you'll also have a task. So Sabina, kindly too, and I know this Lily is looking for a good time. Sabina, thank you very much. We only Sabina Chege, our former member of the County Assembly Muranga, but now nominated member of Parliament for our party. Si Jubilee ilikuwa yetu pia. Yes. And ako kwa broad-based. Then we have, yes, my predecessor, member of Parliament for Kandara, Honorable Shege Jogona. Thank you very much. Tulisubuana sana 2022, kamwangusha, Mungu akakuja in another way, akachukua hiyo kiti, na I support him. Thank you for coming. Mheshimiwa Faith, makofi kwake tafadhali. The MP survive on claps. Okay? Claps. Mheshimiwa Faith Wagetau kana mami mwega. Nyandarua County Member of Parliament and Commissioner Parliamentary Service Commissioner, a good friend of mine. Thank you very much, Faith, for coming. My good neighbor, Honorable Mary Njoroge, otherwise known as Wamaua, Mheshimiwa Maua, Member of Parliament for Maragua. Then I have the Speaker of Murang'a County here. Hii team yote iko hapa, just in case you people want to take me back. Huyu ndiye anaitwa Speaker Johnson Mukuha, my Speaker Murang'a County. Thank you very much. And then we have Maito wa County, my friend Honorable Betty Esawa, Betty Maina, County Women Member of Parliament for Murang'a. Thank you very much, Betty. And it's important that I say, okay,